Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy steak dinner. First, we're going to start with the salad. Boom, it's prepared, right? You cut your lettuce, make sure you clean it and wash it and drain it very well. And then we're going to have cucumber, onions, and tomatoes. So we chop them up and then we add it to the lettuce. Boom, just like that. Okay, this is finished for now because we're going to add the dressing later. Then for a side, we're gonna make mashed potatoes. You gotta peel the potatoes. I peeled 5 and I put them in here to boil with a little bit of salt. And yeah. Once you're done straining, you wanna smash your potatoes. Use your muscles, you know? You know the muscles that I showed you how to get with all those push-ups, man? There you go. Yeah. After you're done smashing them, add half a stick of butter, just like this. You can cut it up. Bada bing, bada boom. That's how you do it. Continue smashing. Get the butter melted in there. Oh. Okay, now that we're done smashing it, we're gonna switch to our whisk and we're gonna add milk until it's smooth. Oh yeah! Oh, look at that. That looks delicioso. I'm like a blender. Do you hear that? Oh yes! That is very good, man. I think this is great, man. Look at that. It's like a silky smooth. Finally, we add our shredded cheese. This is the best part about it. It makes it gooey and yummy and so good. Oh my god. Look at this. And once it's all melted, oh man. That is the best. That looks like gold right there. Now that we're done with the potatoes, we're gonna start our steaks. To prepare our steaks, we need to prepare a marinade for them. To prepare it, you need fresh garlic. You know, you shred it into a little bowl. Worcestershire sauce and some salt, garlic powder, Montreal steak seasoning, olive oil, cumin seed, and parsley. Okay, after you mix it, you want to pour it on your steaks, rub it in. You know, I have these steaks right here, very nice. We got the filet mignon, and we have the steak with the bone in it. This is my favorite steak. After marinating for about an hour or more, we're gonna go put them on the grill. Let's go. Alright guys, now we're gonna start the dressing. We're gonna add some olive oil, just like this. And we're gonna add Brianna's, my favorite. This dressing is very nice, very good. Brianna make me very happy, man. Okay, here we go. Brianna make me very happy, man. Now we got some salt. Now we got some pepper. This is garlic powder. And then finally we have and dill weed. You're gonna add this after everything is done and you're ready to eat, because if you add this now, it will make your lettuce all soggy and disgusting, like a soggy pancake that's been in the syrup for like 3 days. Okay, before you cook your steaks, make sure to clean your grill. You don't want none of that yucky stuff that's been out here, you know? It's gonna make your steaks very nasty, disgusting, so you wanna clean it up. Once the grill is nice and hot, we're gonna add our steaks. Hear that sizzle? Very nice. Oh, we gotta get these big guys. Oh yeah. Very nice. Oh, those are delicioso. Bada bing, bada boom. Now you close it up and you wait until they're cooked and we're gonna flip them. Wait about 7 minutes and then we'll flip them. Alright guys, I got my tongs here, and we're gonna check these steaks out. Let's see what's going on. Oh yeah, we're gonna get some nice grill marks. We're gonna rotate them a little bit so that we can get a nice crisscross pattern of the grill marks. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, it's looking good. It's ready to flip. Bam, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Can't wait to eat. Bam, boom. Okay guys, now it's time to plate. So first we're gonna grab the potatoes. Bang, just like that. Beautiful. We're gonna grab our steak. Beautiful steak over here. Oh yeah, look at that monster. There you go. Beautiful. Then we got here in our salad. And now we add our dressing. After adding about 3 tablespoons of dressing, bada bing, bada boom, your meal is ready. Get your knife and fork, cut into your piece of steak. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Get some potatoes. Delicious. Get some salad. Delicioso. This is the best dinner ever. Very simple, packed with protein.